Welcome to and welcome back. I'm Sew-Ronica and I'm so ready to show you guys my new dress. So here what I'm doing is making the skirt portion of it. Now here I'm trying something different. I'm trying to get this like cut cross thing, this little definition on the bosom area. And I don't know. I wasn't for sure if this was going to work or not, but I was willing to create and adjust and learn from my mistakes. We bought the mannequin, might as well use it, right? So I'm just going to pin this up here and get a better idea of what needs to be done for me to achieve the look. So now I'm doing the other side of it, making sure to do it on the correct side that has the shine and the shimmer so that, you know, everything can be in decency and in order. So someone was asking me about a mannequin and they were saying like, you know, the different prices on Amazon and how they range from anywhere from $20 to, you know, 500, right? And so here I'm going to show you guys why a good sturdy mannequin is important. You see how it's wobbling? And I'm just pinning a lightweight, shirt on this mannequin. So it does make a difference. This is not a 20, see how it's about to fall over. This is not a $20 mannequin. This is a $60 mannequin. But yeah. So this is when I realized that the back needed to be bigger than the front. Okay. And I gave the back like a dip instead of a V. I discovered that from my last project. I was like, no more V's on the back. So now I'm cutting up my favorite moo. Yes, y'all, I love these colors. I love the print. It actually looked like somebody had made this, like it was, you know, a DIY project. Um, it was cute. It was cute. But again, just like with the tablecloth on the wedding gown video, this is the type of fabric that begins to peel, begins to fray, begins to come apart. Okay. But I was going to make the sleeves out of this. And the sleeves don't have, this fabric doesn't have stretch. So, yeah. I think you know where I'm going with this. So now I'm going to go ahead and send this through the serger, and I'm going to serge every side to ensure the quality of the fabric or the product is going to have longevity. So here I'm also losing fabric mass in the serging process. But that's okay. That's okay because, you know, it's not the end of the world. So now I'm trying to get the fabric for the circle skirt at the bottom, which really isn't a circle skirt because of how I'm doing it. It's not going to be like I've never done it this way before, but I know that I want that little, you know, ruffle on the bottom, right? So this is how I decided to do it. I'm going to serge. I'm going to cut this into twos, okay? And I serged it and I hooked it on there just like that. What y'all think? Aren't those colors so cute? Ugh. That on that side. This on this side. We're going to connect these at the bottom. Like such. Actually, I'm going to give this one a little bit of this first to give it more dimension. Okay, so what I did was I serged both of those sides. So it would look better if the same thread was, if the color thread was the same as the fabric, but that's okay because this is like me trying to figure out how to do this. So now I'm laying these on here to get an idea of where I'm going to stitch my next stitches at. And that is right along the bottom. And then we're going to connect everything. Okay, so I'm just double checking to make sure everything is in order. I guess I should. See, that is giving a whole lot of extra skin. I'm going to go ahead and stitch a little bit of that same color, the animal print fabric. I'm going to print that, stitch that right there. See how low cut it's going to be. Yeah, I didn't want to trust the mannequin with this. I was like, let me just see. Let me see. Realized that if I were to bring these two fabrics a little bit closer, that would cut down on the space of the cleavage. However, I don't know if that's going to affect the rest of the fit of the dress. So I'm going to leave this where it was. I'm going to go ahead and stitch the bottom, and then I'm going to add the fabric right there. Yep, just like that. So that's what we have there. And now we're going to connect that with this. Make sure we're doing it on the correct side. Yeah. How did that happen? Okay, so this is after serging. I went ahead and put 2 darts in the back because the fit was, it looked big. Was it big? I don't know. I didn't try it on, but it looked big. So yeah, those are the 2 darts. You see that? And now this is what the front looks like. So that's what the front looks like. I didn't put the fabric where I said I was going to put the fabric. I want to try it on first. Okay, y'all, so I am not a part of the big back community. I don't care what y'all say, but this shirt, it looks a little small, looks a little tight. Okay? But yeah. All right, so now we are connecting the top to the bottom. I turned it inside out. Since I know this is the front, I know that I want, let's see, do I remember? I don't remember. I think this is the front. I should try it on. This is after the connecting process. Y'all, I don't know what direction this is going in. We're going to add the sleeves to it. I shut the door like I was getting ready to try it on. Oh, okay. I guess I did. All right. Was really hard to pull over my head because, not my head, but like my hip area, because it doesn't have stretch. So that's something to take into consideration when putting a skirt on the bottom of the dress. You want to have something that's going to stretch. Anyway, so I mean, it took like 2-3 minutes, but I mean, obviously I got it. And this right here, I don't like. I do not. I'm gonna go ahead and put the sleeves on, but I feel like when I put those darts in the back, that I pulled the armholes to where it's more of a tank top like top. So I'm not even sure if the sleeves are gonna fit. Y'all couldn't see none of what I was doing. Okay guys, so I'm gonna have to blur out the top portion just a little bit because there's a little bit of bra showing and that's not cool. Again, this material does not have, the sleeves ain't even gonna go. it doesn't have stretch. The darts in the back. I know where I went wrong, at least. I mean, this could be a look in itself, honestly. This could be a look. Detachable sleeves. Disconnected sleeves. So I don't know if you guys know, but I actually save all of my stuff that I make. And then I have plans to go back through and like alter them. So I may alter this one.